Now we'll remove the wheel. Use a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Take the wheel off. Underneath, we're going to use a trim tool and take out these push pins. There's one here. Pull that down. And there should be one there. Take that one out. There may be a screw in right here, so you want to take that screw out as well. Or if there's a push pin there, take the push pin out. Now we're going to take this push pin out. Just use a trim tool. Pop that one out. Like that. Now we'll take these push pins out, just again using a trim tool. There's screws on the side here. Use a T20 socket, take those screws out. There's one down below as well. Now we'll take the rest of the push pins out. There's one over here. A couple up on top. And some in the back. Underneath, after you take those push pins out, take this screw out here, use a T20 socket. That slides off. And grab the panel, the inner fender liner. And slide it down, it comes right out. Now take the panel, and we'll just get it all lined up. You can get one of the push pins started, just so you can hold it in place. And I'll get another push pin. That looks good. So just keep putting all the push pins back in. Once everything looks like it's lined up. And put the screws back in. Tighten those down. There should be another one right there. Underneath, line this up. And take the screw, get that started right there, and tighten it down. Snug that down. And there's a push pin right here. Get that one started. And this shield came with the new panel, so that push pin's already there. And if there's a screw that goes there, put that screw back in right there. And in the back, put this push pin in, lock it down. And the 2 push pins on the side. And lock them down. And put the wheels on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.